Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. The asset store is full of awesome tools and assets to help you make your own games. There's more and more awesome stuff coming out every month, so in this video let's check out some highlights for February 23. Even if you don't pick up any of these, it's still great to look at them to see if they inspire you to build something. Just watching some of these assets is enough to fire up my imagination. I can immediately picture all of the kinds of games that I could build. This one is a list of paid assets and effects. I've already made 2 videos covering the best free new assets and best tools and systems. As always, there's links to the assets in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon CodeMonkey10 to get 10% off your order. Humble has just launched a new bundle full of Cinti assets. As you probably know, I love their low poly style. The bundle has tons of variety with 20 packs with the usual super dip discount at 97% off. Or if you prefer something more realistic, there's another one with tons of high-res military assets. Now this one is technically an Unreal pack, but you can just import it into Unreal and then export the meshes, which you can then import into Unity. Do you want to learn from a veteran in the AAA industry? Jason Wyman has just launched the Game Developer Bootcamp, which is a massive course covering all aspects of game development, great for both beginners and more advanced users. Importantly, there is a live Q&A every week alongside scheduled office hours, so you can jump on a live call and ask any questions you have, learn about Unity fundamentals in C#, learn about multiplayer, 2D lighting, 3D physics, save systems, game design patterns, and a bunch more. The lectures are going to be released on a weekly basis, and the weekly live Q&A will be focused on making sure you understood everything for that week. So instead of binging a course and not learning anything, this way you make sure you truly learn the contents of each lecture. Although of course all the lectures and the QA won't be recorded, so you can always watch or rewatch everything at a later time. So if you want to learn how to make games from a veteran in the industry and join the live Q&A, then check it out with a link in the description. Alright, so starting off with a really nice shader for easily adding outlines and highlights. It looks really good with lots and lots of settings. You can easily add certain effect while visible and a different one while occluded. It even works with sprites. And up next, here is an asset to add something that honestly I wish Unity had by default. That is screen space global illumination. This adds some really high quality lighting that definitely improves how your game looks. It's a screen space effect, which means it's not as detailed as ray tracing, but still looks pretty great, and it's obviously much more performant than using actual ray tracing. Looking at the video, it does produce some gorgeous results. Next, if you want to populate your world with a bunch of birds, here's a bunch of them as a nice particle effect. Making them as particles is a great way to add some extra life to your game without requiring a big performance hit, and despite being particles, they actually look very natural flying around randomly with some nice animations. Then here we have a really nice animation pack, all about fighting with the staff. Definitely a very unique weapon, and with all the trails it looks really great. This dev has tons of excellent animation packs with all kinds of variety. Next, for some 2D, here is a nice top-down tile set. This one features an insane amount of tiles, in total over 15,000, so that's huge. It also includes 1,000 animated tiles, so if you're working on a 2D game and you like building worlds, then this is pretty much all you need. Or maybe you're working on a horror game. If so, here is a spooky corridor. Personally, I am not a fan of horror, and I definitely find this corridor pretty scary, so that means it's good. I could see this being really useful for making a game where the player isn't looking at the corridor, and when they're not looking, the corridor suddenly changes. Just with that one mechanic and with this asset, you could build a huge game for your player to enjoy. If you're working on a football soccer game, then check out this animation pack. It features almost 250 animations, so that would include everything you could possibly want in a game of this type. So if you've ever wanted to build your own FIFA, then this would be a great starting point. Next, for some particles, here's a bunch of beams and lasers. They all look really great. In total you have 17 VFX. This could be excellent for some kind of magic game, or maybe some sci-fi for some laser weapons, or maybe it could even be something like Dragon Ball Z with a bunch of beam struggles. Then here's a really gorgeous looking scene. The screenshots look absolutely stunning. The assets themselves are nice, but the scene setup is really truly excellent. So this asset, the screenshot, this really showcased the power of Unity HDRP. For something a bit more cute, here is a bunch of nice characters. They've got a very nice blocky style. I quite like it. They use a regular humanoid mesh, so they work with any animations. It really has a massive amount of content, over 500 meshes, so those include base meshes as well as some attachments. You could definitely build many games just from this one pack. Up next, here's an interesting one. It's a pack with a ton of vegetables. I made a mini farming game from an asset pack a while ago, and I could see this asset being used to push that idea even further. You have 10 different vegetables, each with 5 growth stages. So if you want to make a farming game, then this is definitely a great starting point. Then if you want just one really cute character, look at this one. Very nice style, cartoony with a nice big head. Also includes some props, swords and shields. So this would be the perfect style for some kind of nice RPG. Or maybe you just want one giant animation pack. Here's one for female animations. It includes more than 500 animations, so you have everything from some basic animations, some emotions, a bunch of dying animations, lots of idols, and some weird ones that I have no idea what they represent. If you like this pack, then this tab has another one for male, and a bunch others. Next, if you're working on a sci-fi game, here's a modular space station interior. Features some super high quality meshes, 4K textures with PBR materials. It's all for HDRP, so they'll look great. All the pieces easily snap together, so you can have some fun building a nice space station. Then here's an interesting one. It's a bunch of voxel meshes with a Roman Greek style. It features over 400 buildings and almost 100 ships. The interesting thing is they are all as .vox files, which apparently includes all of the voxel data, which you can then export into a regular mesh. Definitely very interesting. Or maybe you want some gorgeous fantasy books. If so, look at this one. They are all really gorgeous. I definitely love how all these look. Tons of detail on all kinds of elements. You've got lots of different books as well as some nice boards and ingredients. So if you have some kind of magical game, these would be some gorgeous items. Up next, here is a nice slime monster. It's rigged and animated with 14 animations. Definitely a strange mesh, it's definitely a slime. If you like this, then this dev has lots more unique looking monsters. Then for some UI, here is a giant sci-fi pack. Looks very futuristic, lots of glow everywhere. It includes all of the UI, as well as a nice UI manager script and a bunch of custom inspectors. Then for some interesting stylized characters, here is a nice pack. They include some blend shapes, so with that you can get tons of variation. It's an interesting style, cartoony but not really low poly. Or maybe you need a gorgeous environment. If so, look at this village. The screenshots look absolutely gorgeous, very appealing look, lots of saturation, so very anime-like. It also includes modular building interiors, so you can build your own. Alright, so those are my top 20 new visual assets on the Unity Asset Store for February 23. There's links all in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon code monkey10 to get 10% off your order. Also don't forget to check out Jason's Game Developer Bootcamp with a link in the description. Alright, hope that's useful. Check out these videos to learn some more. Thanks to these awesome Patreon supporters for making these videos possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.